Frustrated with the FFmpeg.AutoGen library DLL pop-up blocking FFmpeg.AutoGen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To kick off the FFmpeg.AutoGen library guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the FFmpeg.AutoGen library, a managed wrapper for the FFmpeg multimedia framework. It allows .NET applications to access low-level audio and video decoding. If missing, modern media players or video editing tools built on C-Kext will report an assembly load failure, preventing any media playback. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Because FFmpeg.AutoGen library DLL is tied to the FFmpeg.AutoGen runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the FFmpeg.AutoGen library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Remember that FFmpeg.AutoGen library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for FFmpeg.AutoGen library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including FFmpeg.AutoGen library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.